Thank you so much,
Thank
Gwen, for
you.
accommodating our request. Alam namin maraming ganap nung mga after mo manalo. So, thank you so much dahil ngayon napagbigyan mo kami. Siguro unang tanong ko, Gwen, kumusta ka after the successful turnout of events dito nga sa Sing Again 4? You get that second placer, grabe yung views online, grabe yung pagmamahal at
Mm.
suporta sa'yo ng mga Pinoy at ng iba't ibang fans.
Oo nga po. Actually, hindi ko pa po, I haven't composed myself. Kumbaga, it's been 3 days. 3 days pa lang po kaso, it's so busy, maraming shows na kailangan lumabas and everything. So, right now, hindi ko pa na-compose yung sarili ko, to be honest. But that means na my heart is like really full, really grateful lang po talaga. So, and last week po kasi my family came here to support me. So, buong week, I was with family. So, walang tulog. Laging nag-spend time with each other. Kasi, I think it'll be a while before I see them again ulit. So, yeah.
Looking back at your journey, Gwen, sa Sing Again 4, grabe no, hindi siya basta-basta na talent show. What are the
Opo.
biggest lesson that you have learned during the competition?
I think to not overthink things. Dahil, you know, like actions speak louder than words nga po talaga. I think before I came here to Korea, I was full of thoughts, full of things na, gusto ko, ito gawin ko, ito gawin ko. Pero I realized, as growing up na rin po na gawin lang and let's see what happens. So, as I went up the round po, like, second round, third round, na-realize ko na wala po akong oras para isipin yung ibang bagay. Kumbaga, I should start practicing lang po and practicing. Kasi if you overthink things, walang mangyayari. So, I think that's one of the biggest things that I learned. At the same time, repetition. Super helpful na repetition, lalo na kapag Korean, another language you're speaking, right? So you have to keep, recalling it in your mind. And kahit na my goal sa isang practice is um magawa ko without thinking. So masabi ko without thinking. So that's one of the biggest things that I've learned.
Grabe, grabe rin yung dedication at commitment mo, Gwen, kasi watching you, para ka talaga nakatira sa Korea. Kung kantahin mo yung mga songs in Korean language, grabe. So, sobrang kudos to you, Gwen. Siyempre, Gwen, the latest season ng Sing Again, ikaw lang yung nag-iisang foreigner at ikaw yung nag-iisang
Opo.
Pinay.
Opo.
How did you handle the pressure of carrying the Philippine flag in an international stage and a big talent competition like Sing Again?
Mm. Mhm. At first, nung nag-preliminary rounds before the whole TV show actually, naisip ko na po yan na, other people are saying na, of course, you have the whole flag, the whole Philippines on your back. Pero that time, inisip ko, pero as soon as it started from the first round, hala, walang oras. Like, the second round was like, siguro 2 weeks of practice. Isipin ko, like, nung first round, 4 months kong practice yung kanta. 4 months. Pero pagdating ng second round, 2 weeks lang ang binigay. So sabi ko, hala, wala talaga akong oras para isipin yung ibang mga bagay-bagay. So kahit na the pressure is there, the pressure of the carrying the Philippine flag, more than that, na pressure lang po ako sa oras na binigay. So sabi ko, like, sige, practice lang, tawag na natin masyadong isipin ng, deeply. So yun po.
I don't know kung nag-sync in na sa'yo, but you made history dito sa season na to. Kasi you almost got perfect scores from the
Opo.
judges. At yung mga judges, hindi basta-basta. They're the ace performers and artists sa Korea. How do you feel
Yes
that
po.
every time na maglalabas sila ng score and they say their sentiments and thoughts after your performances, grabe, halos grabe yung mga papuri sa'yo.
Oo nga po. Um, to be honest, every round naisip ko, ala, last ko na to. Like, last ko na to. Hindi ko na talaga kaya. Parang, kasi there are so many moments na during practice, okay naman siya. Like, I like what I'm doing. I like I like the outcome of my practice. Kaso, palapit na, siguro the day before, parang the whole pressure is on. And so, pati yung katawan ko is giving up on me. Medyo, and it's kind of, ano tawag dito? Winter na po kasi eh. So medyo hindi sana yung katawan. Di naman po ako nagkasakit, pero parang pagod. Pagod po yung katawan. So kahit yung mental game ko is really strong, hindi na kinakaya ng katawan. And so, before the day, naisip ko laging, wala na, last na to. Kung last na to, gawin ko na lang kung ano kaya ko. And so, hindi ko po ina-expect na magkaroon ng ganong score. Nobody ever expects, right? Nobody ever expected and as well. So, ewan ko, like I'm just really grateful and to make history din sa Sing Again na the first contestant na magkaroon ng ganong score. Hindi ko din po alam na posible pong ganong score na puro 100. Yeah. So sobrang sobrang grateful lang po talaga. I guess it's not my work, to be honest. It's not just my work kasi during practice hindi lang po idea ko ang nag-work. Kumbaga, I asked a lot of people, a lot of mentors na ano po gagawin ko. And dito sa company na din po, sa agency ko po na I asked, producers and the staff din. Actually, pati yung staff po here, the manager, ina-ask ko po sila na, paano po yung eto, do you have any ideas? And so, it's a whole team, to be honest. So, yeah.
Mm-mm. Take us back, Gwen, yung nandun na sa final, tapos i-announce na yung winner, 'di ba?
Mhm,
Kami rin grabe yung kaba namin. Parang nandiyan kami
mhm.
mismo sa Korea. What was running on your mind na parang magkatabi kayo ni who's the winner? Lee,
EOU.
Lee Oo, magkatabi kayo tapos in a few seconds i-announce na yung winner. What was running on your mind?
To be honest, since nakita ko yung score ko when it comes to, the judges' score, sabi ko, hala, baka may pag-asa mag-first place. At first sabi ko, hindi baka wala. Pero as soon as I realized na, first place pala talaga lahat. So sabi ko, may pag-asa na mag-first place. And so, yeah, I was expecting na baka pwede. Baka pwede. Kaya I was closing my eyes kasi sabi ko, kung talaga para sa akin to, para sa akin to. Parang pero also, there was also thoughts running in my mind na, well, baka second, And it's okay na kung second. Kasi it's been a long journey. And so to go up here is not a joke. So naisip ko na it's not the price naman talaga, to be honest. Kasi it's the journey na in a span of 6 months, siguro my Korean really, became better and better and better. So wala, naging grateful lang po ako nung time na yun. Pero at the same time, nanginginig. Nanginginig kasi sabi ko, baka first place. Pero it's okay. I'm okay with the results.
Oo. Alam mo, Gwen, sobrang ganda nung finale song mo, yung Light Up. Parang
Oh,
it really, what do I need to say? Summarizes your whole journey sa
mm,
Sing Again. Um, what was your intention and your kumbaga your message while singing that Light Up, while singing that finale song na sobrang ganda and pang finale talaga, and you brought so much inspiration not just sa local audience but sa global audience at sa mga Pinoy fans mo.
yung light up po kasi, talagang I treated it as a final stage. It's a good way to, tawag dito, parang just wrap up everything, just wrap up my whole Sing Again journey. Kasi sobrang, it's a different, um, paano po ba sabihin? Like, it's a different side of me as an artist na pinakita ko. Dahil throughout the Sing Again journey, puro ballad, puro seryosong kanta. And then, nagkaroon ng song na I Want You, which is more pop style, which is what I want. And then suddenly, nagkaroon ng hip-hop, which is the very last. So I think the whole Sing Again journey, napakita ko po lahat ng kaya ko. From ballad to jazz, to pop song, to hip-hop. So, sobrang saya ko ending the song. Kaya lagi akong nakasmile nun sa kanta na yun. Kasi, last na talaga to. Nakikita ko lang yung audience. So I'm savoring the moment. Parang, okay. I'm content with everything that happened. Yun
And
po.
you light up your fans world, 'di ba? You brought so much love and inspiration to everyone, 'di ba? With your finale song.
Totoo po.
Your thoughts on that?
Fans World. Actually, I haven't thought about light up as a fans world, Pero I guess you could say that kasi light up, brings it lights up people's world, I guess. So, sobrang happy po ako that it brought smiles on their faces.
Mm. Siguro ang next question ko na lang, Gwen, is what's next kay Gwen? Tuloy-tuloy na ba ang karera dyan sa South Korea after your successful journey sa Sing Again? What can the fans expect more from you in the future?
Yeah, tuloy-tuloy ang aking career here in Korea. After this, actually, my nationwide tour with the whole Sing Again Top 10. So that's what we're gonna do. I think for the next 6 months, pupunta sa Busan, Jeju, Seoul, and stuff like that. Pero after that, siguro plans of releasing an album na rin. And something that I really want to do is busking sa, busking TV show. It's very famous here in Korea. And not just here in Korea, to be honest. Kumbaga, mag-busking din sa iba't ibang places, iba't ibang countries, maybe like Europe or America na rin. And I guess that's one of my dreams. Hindi lang 'yon. Right now we're doing shows dito sa Korea that are, like news, mga entertainment shows na rin, we're doing those. So, more than singing, ang fino-focus ko right now is how to speak in Korean, dahil sa interview. So, sa, k- more than singing, mas kinakabahan po ako sa interview. Talagang mas kinakabahan po ako sa interview dahil siyempre hindi ko ma-compose yung words ko, eh. And siyempre kapag let's say entertainment show, let's say the equivalent of Showtime or GGV dito sa Korea. Kailangan alam mo yung joke, eh. Kailangan alam mo yung slang. Hindi pwedeng ano po yun? 'Di ba? So medyo yun po ang sina-study ko ngayon.
Mm-mm. Any plans of homecoming event for your Filipino
Oh,
fans here?
Oh my gosh, homecoming event. Di ko pa po naisip yon actually. But yeah, I would love to. I would love to come back home and have an event there, have a concert. And I hope the Filipino people then accept me, as an artist. So, yun lang. That's what I
Oh,
hope.
wait lang, Gwen. Kailan ka pa ba nandiyan dyan sa Korea? When did you start your Korean career?
I think pumunta po ako dito ng mga August ng 2024. So
Okay.
it's about 1.5 year na po. I
Okay.
think, yeah. One and
And
a
then
half
now
year.
you're with a Korean agency, itong ang AO Entertainment Global.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Tama.
came here dahil sa Why Do We Love actually. Naging viral po yung kanta ko na Why Do We Love. And this Korean company contacted me through Instagram saying na, we wanted to give you an opportunity. And so sabi ko, wala baka scam to. Kasi hindi ko naman ma-expect na magkaroon ng ganong opportunity. But we talked about it for about 6 months. Talagang pinag-isipan namin if really wanted to do this. So it's been going really well. They've been giving me, enough resources para makapag-practice. And as in, everyday na practice. Parang wala na po akong weekend, to be honest. Pero yung practice po na yun, ako po yung nagde-decide to practice. And kumbaga, pati na nga po yung CEO ng company sinasabi na tama na ang pagkanta, tama na pag-practice. Grabe na yung ginagawa ko. Pero kasi, syempre, pag hindi po ako nag-practice or hindi po ako content sa practice ko today, hindi po ako makatulog. Ganun po akong tao. So, kailangan everyday may something productive na ginagawa. But yeah, they've been giving me enough resources and support na rin po. So, I'm really happy.
Talagang ibang level na talaga si Gwen. Parang baka naman in the next few months, bonggang-bongga. And we really, really expect and hope na talagang you gonna make it big. Dahil
Thank
yung galing at talento mo na pinapakita sa buong mundo is of course pride namin dito sa Pilipinas. It's a Filipino pride all over the world. Thank you so much, Gwen. Siguro last question ko, your message to your fans, to your Filipino supporters, to your global fans.
you. Um, Siguro put yourself in challenging environments. Dahil I think this is one of the things I do sa practice before I go on stage na it's called simulation. So, kumbaga, syempre, kunwari, itong practice room, sanay na po ako dito na sa ganitong environment. Pero, isipin mo, paano kung malamig sa studio? First. Second, paano kung may tao? Kaya mo bang kantahin in front of people? Third, paano kung biglang nawala yung instrumental? Kaya mo bang ituloy? Parang ganong mga challenging environments. Think outside the box na kaya ko bang ituloy-tuloy to kahit na everything around me is not going well. So I think that's one of the messages that I want to tell people. Put yourself in challenging environments. Yun po.
Uh, Took the risks because some risks are worth taking. You did that
Yes.
almost more than a year ago and here we are now. Yung 11 or 12-year-old Gwen na napanood namin sa isang talent show a decade ago, ito na siya ngayon, 'di ba? Making
Opo,
waves
opo.
sa global stage. And again, congratulations, Gwen. We're so excited sa mga gagawin mo pa sa world
Mhm.
stage sa mga susunod na panahon. Thank you so much and congratulations, Gwen.
Thank you po. Salamat po.